Hi everyone and welcome. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are back in Tuscany. We are very close to Florence. In fact, you can get there in less than 30 minutes of driving, and we are on an elevated position with a beautiful countryside view. We are here to tour a fantastic, fully restored, luxury, Liberty style villa. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. Let's start by talking about the location of the property. It is set on a gorgeous hilly position in the Tuscan countryside. 10 minutes away to the closest town with all of the services and less than 30 minutes away to Florence. We are also just over 30 minutes to San Gimignano and about an hour to Siena. Airports are also close by. In fact, there is the one in Florence, then we have the one in Pisa, which is about 45 minutes away, and the one in Bologna, which is about 1 hour and 30 minutes away. The villa is immersed in 4,000 square meters of its very own private park. There are two access gates to the property. The first one and main one is right in the front, very traditional, getting to the front side of the property. Then there is a second one on the rear side of the villa, which leads to a large parking space that can host several cars. On the front side of the villa, we have this gorgeous 12 by 7 meters swimming pool. Now covered because we are in the winter time, but I will show you a few pictures of it during the summer. It is completely surrounded by this beautiful travertino marble sunbathing area, and on the very center of the swimming pool there is a jacuzzi. All around, the villa also has several terraces on different levels, perfect to enjoy some summer aperitivos or some parties with friends, or simply to relax under the Tuscan sun. The property features about 500 square meters of internal spaces, laid on 3 levels, with the top of the tower, which would actually be the 4th level. Let's start having a look at the ground floor with the living spaces. There is a nice herringbone pattern parquet floor everywhere, and I love how all of these spaces are nicely connected, giving all of this floor a nice sense of importance and a good flow. At the same time, all of these smaller living areas are enclosed and feel very cozy. The second sitting area over here has its own marble fireplace that is working, and over here there is a direct access onto the terrace on the front of the villa we've seen earlier. On this other side of the living spaces we find a large bathroom, perfect to serve all of the ground floor, but especially this room over here, which right now is a little sitting area, but could easily be turned into another bedroom. One last thing I would like to show you is this staircase, which leads to the basement, which also has its independent access, and from there we find a nice large laundry area, and on another side a nice apartment for the housekeeper. Right by the entrance we have the dining area with this large table that can sit 8 to 10 people, perfect to have family lunches or dinners with friends. Let's have a look at the kitchen. The kitchen space is really spacious and it has this large kitchen on a side. Over here we have the direct access to the outdoor spaces and this nice table in the middle, perfect to have breakfast or enjoy a coffee in the morning. The first floor of the villa is accessed through this majestic staircase with this double landing and completely made out of marble. As we get to the first floor, there is this hallway which connects all of the bedrooms. Let's start from the first one over here, the master bedroom. The master bedroom is nice and spacious with high ceilings, and also here we find this nice herringbone pattern oak wood parquet floor. In the corner there is a nice wardrobe and in the end its own ensuite bathroom. The first floor keeps going with, on my left, a nice and large storage space like a wardrobe, and on my right there is the second bedroom of the floor with its ensuite bathroom. By the end of the hallway we find the last two bedrooms of the floor. The first one is very nice and cozy with its own bathroom and also a nice little balcony. And then in the end we get to probably the most particular room because it has a nice view on the front with the landscape and the swimming pool. Over there the ensuite bathroom, and up here we notice the stairs, and I'd say you can guess where they bring. Let's have a look. This is the top of the tower of the villa. Up here there is a great view, and right now there is a bed, but I would say it could be very well suited for a nice studio or office space since there is such an inspiring view out of the window. And here we are at the end of today's property tour. I hope you like this villa, and I hope to see you soon here in Tuscany to show it to you personally. One last thing is to please subscribe to our channel for new videos every week. I will see you soon. Ciao!